Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new kit that I'd like to share with you guys, and it's called the MIDIPLUS MiniEngine USB portable MIDI sound generator. I'm going to unbox this unit and then I'm going to play a few of the sounds for you to hear. So there's some documentation here. I'll put all that aside and we'll unpack the box. We have here a mini TS jack to a 5-pin female MIDI socket. And then we also have a micro USB cable. I guess this will be for charging the unit. And last, the little blue box itself. And there's, as I said, 128 sounds in there. It has a volume button, a program button, a reverb button, and it has a numerical display. This is for changing the value of each of these options here. Okay, let's go through the back as well. It has a headphone socket. That's the TS MIDI socket. USB host, and this is for charging the unit, and that's the power switch. So I'm going to switch it on right now. It's also battery powered, by the way, so you don't need to power it with the USB. So there it is. I'm using the battery at the moment. Now, in order to get this to work properly, I'm going to have to connect it to my keyboard. This keyboard is just a keyboard controller. It doesn't have any sounds of its own. That's all you hear, just the keys. And that's why you need to pair this with a unit like this. So let's get this connected. The TS goes into the MIDI in. This 5-pin then will go. Yeah, this will go into there. Okay, I've got the headphone connected to my speakers. I've got the MIDI connection between the keyboard and the MIDIPLUS. So we should have some sound now. Let's just run through some of the sounds now. That's the volume. So when you turn this, it changes the value, makes it louder or lower. To change the program, you press that button and you use this to select the sound you want. If you want some effect, so the reverb, again you'll use this to change the value, increase or decrease the amount of effect you want in the on the unit. But we're going to go through some of the sounds now. So I'll put it back to the program, and I'll start off with program 1. That's the piano. So patch 7 is the clavier. 10 is the music box. 13 is xylophone. This is says drawbar organ, not 16. 18 is another organ, this is the rock organ. 21 is accordion. 24 is an acoustic guitar. 26 is electric guitar, jazz. 29 is overdriven guitar. 32 is some more guitars. That's acoustic bass. 35 is fretless bass. 38 is synth bass. 41 is violin. 45 is orchestral harp. 47 is timpani. 50 is synth strings. 55 is orchestral hit. 59 is muted trumpet. 62 is synth brass. 67 is the baritone sax. 72 is the piccolo. 76 is the blown whistle. 80 is the square wave lead. 89 is the pad warm. 97 the soundtrack. 104 is sitar. 109. 115 woodblock. 'And you have some sound effects from, I think 123 is the bird tweet. 124 is a telephone ring. 125 is helicopter. 126 is applause. And 127 is a gunshot. So there you go. There's 128 sounds starting from 0 to 127. So that makes it 128 sounds. Then you also have a drum kit. So this is a really handy piece of kit to have. It's very portable. You don't need a computer. You just need your MIDI keyboard. This is just a 25 key keyboard here. Your MIDI cable, your headphones, and you're good to go. You can throw both of these into your backpack, and when you're in the park or wherever, you can make your music. So I'd recommend this to anyone looking for an inexpensive but quality MIDI tone generator or sound module. So that's it, the MIDIPLUS. Thanks again for staying with me. Please subscribe and like the video and share the video. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye.